Hey, it's Clay. I'm about to make a video with these following items. It's be a huge explosion everywhere, so be careful. And don't try this at home either. So if you do, have parent permission or supervision. Okay, for the first thing, I'm going to put Mentos and Diet Pepsi. But instead of letting it spew out, I'm going to put it in there, turn the cap on, and bust it. Watch, just see how that works. Okay, the Mentos are in the Diet Pepsi. Now watch. And this is pretty dangerous, so... Hold on, that wasn't right. Oh! Oh, sweet! Look at that trail! It's right in there. Look at it. Where's Mentos at? That was awesome. In the next video part, I put this on the ground and spin it and stab it with a sharp object. So be very careful if you're trying to imitate this. But I wouldn't suggest it. So now just watch. Oh well. Ah! Crap. Dang, didn't work right. Oh, there we go. Aww.